Hi guys, today we are going to do evening scenery. The colors we want are yellow, black, white, blue, light blue, pink and dark blue. Brushes, palette, water, cloth. So now let's start. Okay, for circle I am taking an thing which is circle. So I am drawing a circle. This is the circle. Now you should draw like a V shape. We are going to draw a tree, and the line we are drawing will be the sea. So now we don't want pencil, and now we will take light blue and palette. We should put all the colors on the palette. So I have put in all the colors, and we want this 18 size brush, 17 size brush, 8, 9, 16 size brush and 2 size brush. So first I will start with 17 size brush with the white. First we will start with the moon. So because if we do moon after some time, there is some chances that the water can leak inside the white and it can make a big mess. So that's why I am putting white now. And now we will take light blue, dark blue and mix it together. So you will get this color. You should add more dark blue because first we should start with dark to light. So this is the color. We are going to put an C shape. So you should do like this at the corner and you will get an C shape. You should do like this. You should add more water for this, then only it will come. So you should draw like this, like in C shape. And now we will take more light blue and less dark blue. So for merging we will take dark blue and just merge it over there. And we will merge it now. Should do like this. So for merging you should do before it dries, then only it will merge nicely. So now we are going to put blue till the moon. You should carefully put in the moon because it can go inside. If you want, you can do like before after white, and you can take some blue, and blue can be reflection of the sea. So now we will take white, some white and pink. We will mix it with it. You should add more pink, then only it will be in a reddish and pinkish color. You should not add more white. Water can sometimes change the color. So take blue. Now take blue for merging. First you should put pink and after some layers you should add blue, because if you get more if you add more space only, the merging will be nice. If you want means you can do clouds with white also in the sky. So this is night scenery. So now I applied fully pink, and now in that left place we are going to put black, and up of that we are going to draw a tree, and with earbuds we are going to dump it with that earbuds. So the best way for black means because of black can make the painting mess. So first you can draw an outline, and then after that you can do faster inside. That is the best idea I say to you. So these are the tips I am sharing with you. So now so many people draw like so some people do like putting black first, and it will take a long time, and there are some chances to come out also. So this is the best tip I am sharing with you. So first you should draw lines like this. You can take a small brush also. Should draw like this slowly. And now for earbud you should make the black to dry, or else it can mix with light pink, very light pink, and it can make a mess. So if you add black with it, it will not be nice. So that's why the best way is to make it dry. So let the black to dry. Before it dries, we will do the sea. First with a small brush I will do outlining. So the best thing is if you do outlining with the small brush, it will be nice. So try not to mix with pink, then will not be nice. And now we'll add more dark blue and light blue. So in acrylic paint, if you just leave the paint without touching for some minutes it can dry. So that is acrylic paint. So I am keep on adding water, because acrylic paint can dry anytime. And in seas also you can see that at the end of the sea means if you see from the beach, it will be the end of the sea. If you see the moon, so at the end it will be like it will be very dark, because the moon is right front down, and the reflection will be like dark, little bit dark, and light and very light. So this is the pattern you will do it in shading, and in shading it's very important for thinking also, because if they tell the light is coming from the right, you should do the light from the right, and how it will be you should imagine in your mind. So now I am doing the dots. We are going to draw an person over there, so it will be nice. So first the body should be big, and you should leave some gap, because it will be the thigh. So it will be like the boy is sitting in that corner and enjoying the nature, night scenery. So now let it dry, all the pink things. And this is my drawing. If you like, please comment.